Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. I've not got my face cam on today because I'm not feeling too great, but gonna crack on with the video and read out the spec here. So the problem's 1941. Check if all characters have equal number of occurrences. So given a string s, return true if s is a good string or false otherwise. A string s is good if all the characters that appear in s have the same number of occurrences, i.e. the same frequency. So AB, AC, BC is true because every character appears twice. However, AAA, BB is false because A appears 3 times and B appears 2 times. The length of S is between 1 and 1000, and S consists of lowercase English letters. So, I'm just going to switch over to my notes. Here we go. Just going to write down some ideas. So, this first thing we need to do is iterate over string. Use a dictionary with every unique character as a key and the value holding the occurrences. It's an E, isn't it? Yep. Then what we're going to do is loop over the dictionary, and what we're going to do is we're going to check if any of the values differ. If they do, return false. Otherwise, return true. So let's try this. Iterate over string. So what we're going to say is we're going to say for C and S. We're going to say, so what we need to do is iterate over and check. Well, first we need the dictionary. Okay. Or cause occurrences. Okay, so if Cn occur, C at index or occur at index C is incremented by 1. Else occur at index C is equal to 1. Let's print occur and see what we get. Perfect. So then all we need to do is for character just gonna make this a bit more readable. What we're gonna do, we're gonna every time we're going around this, what we can do is we can say last, we'll just say last underscore item is equal to occurrences see. So this will run either way. Okay. Or we'll just say last occurrence. If they're not equal, then we're going to return false. Else, return true. Let's hit run. Oh, this needs an S. Okay. Oh, dot values. Let's try this. This got accepted. Let's hit submit. So with this one, let's see. I think we should iterate through the entire array, and then we can return false, return true once we're certain. Okay, that's getting accepted now. Let's hit submit. And accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or simple or just different, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.